In this tutorial, we'll look at how to configure notifications for a device in the EasyLog cloud. You'll learn how to assign primary, secondary, and emergency contacts, create notification groups, and customize notifications for individual users. To begin, open the device you wish to configure and navigate to Settings, then Notifications. This page allows you to define who receives notifications and which events they are notified about. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll find the notification groups. These are split into primary, secondary, and emergency contacts. Users can be added to one or more of these groups depending on their responsibilities. To add users, expand the relevant group and search for the team members you wish to include. You can add multiple users to each group. Any user assigned to a group will receive the same notifications as every other member in that group. For example, you may add laboratory staff to the primary group, supervisors to the secondary group, and managers and on-call personnel to the emergency group. The centre of the page contains the notification matrix. This is where you decide which group should be notified when specific events occur. For example, you may want all groups to be notified when a high alarm occurs. Simply select the appropriate boxes under each group. Not every event needs to be sent to everyone. For example, you may decide that only the secondary group should receive low alarm notifications, or that power-related notifications are only relevant to the maintenance staff. This allows each group to receive only the information that they need. In addition to groups, EasyLog Cloud also supports individual notifications. To do this, add the user to the appropriate individual category. Once added, they can be assigned their own unique set of notifications. Individual users are displayed using their initials within the notification matrix. This makes it easy to see exactly which notification each person will receive. This allows specific users to receive a customized set of notifications that differs from the rest of their group. This is useful when someone needs slightly different notification profile. For example, a member of the administration team may need to receive firmware update notifications and power alerts, but doesn't need to receive temperature alarm notifications. Before saving, review the notification matrix to ensure each group and individual are receiving the appropriate notifications. Once you're happy with your configuration, select Save. Your notification settings are now active. EasyLog Cloud will notify the appropriate users whenever selected events occur.